Now let's take a look at dividing mixed numbers. Let's jump in. So first example, let's take a look. 5½ divided by 2 1/3. So we want to write these as improper fractions first. 5 2s are 10, plus 1 is 11 over 2. And this one, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 3. Now just be careful here. I'm not actually doing the division yet. All I'm doing is changing these into improper fractions. So the division sign is going to stay the way it is, and this has not been inverted yet. Okay, we have not found the reciprocal. We are now going to do it on this next step. 11 over 2. We're now going to turn the divide into a multiplication and flip this upside down, 3 over 7. Now we're doing the multiplication. 11 over 2 times 3 over 7. Top to top, or does anything cancel there? I don't think so. I think it's okay. 11 times 3, 33 on the top. 2 times 7 is 14 on the bottom. Okay, we have an improper fraction. We've got to convert that to a mixed number. Same as the question. So 14 into 33. I think it's 2. 2 times 14 is 28. 3 times that's going to go too high, so it's going to be 2. 2 times 14 is 28. Subtract gives us 5, so we get 2, remainder 5. So converted to a mixed number is going to be 2 and 5/14. All finished. And I think just one more should do it. It's kind of similar to multiplication, isn't it? It's just that one step before. 2 examples should be enough for this one. 4 and 8/9. So 4 9s are 36, plus 8 is 44 over 9. Remember, I'm not dividing yet, so I'm just going to copy the division sign. And what I write here is going to be equal to that one. 6 3s are 18, plus 2 is 20 over 3. So just be careful there. I have not done the division yet. Just converted. 44 over 9. I'm now going to turn the division sign into a multiplication sign. Now I'm going to invert this. 3 over 20. There we go. So, can anything cancel here? I think so. We've got a 3 and a 9. So 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 9 3 times. Anything else? Yeah, 2, 44 and 20. 2 goes into 20, leaves 10. 2 goes into 44, leaves 22. You could have cancelled a bit more there. Oh yeah, I could have, couldn't I? Let's fix that. I could have cancelled a bit more there. Instead of cancelling 2, it looks like, they're both divisible by 4, aren't they? So 20 divided by 4 is 5. 44 divided by 4 is 11. Better. Okay, now let's do this. 11 times 1 on the top is 11. 3 times 5 on the bottom is 15. We get a proper fraction, no conversion needed. All done. Feel like flying solo? Your turn now. Please try example 2. Can you divide these sets of mixed numbers? One of the answers, I believe, is just a proper fraction. Which one? Share your answers in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.